Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Whether you're looking for a comforting breakfast or an easy brunch idea, today we're diving into one of the most delicious and versatile dishes out there, French toast. I'll show you how to make it perfectly fluffy, golden brown, and utterly irresistible. So grab your ingredients, let's get started. To start, here's what you'll need. 4 large eggs, half a cup of milk. You can use whole milk, almond milk, or any kind you prefer. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional but adds a lovely flavor. A pinch of ground cinnamon, trust me, this elevates everything. 4 slices of bread, I recommend using day-old bread, it soaks up the egg mixture better. And butter or oil for cooking. For toppings, you might want some maple syrup, powdered sugar, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. If you have stale bread lying around, don't throw it away, this is its moment to shine. The secret to great French toast starts with the batter. Crack 4 eggs into a wide, shallow dish like a pie plate or baking dish. Add in the milk, vanilla extract, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. The milk helps keep the toast moist while the spices add that extra depth of flavor. Now comes the fun part, soaking the bread. Take each slice and gently press it into the egg mixture, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Don't rush this step. If the bread isn't soaked enough, it won't turn out as soft and custardy inside. But be careful not to over-soak either, or it might fall apart when you cook it. Next, heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium-low heat. Add a tablespoon of butter or a drizzle of oil. Once melted and shimmering, place your soaked bread slices onto the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Flip carefully, you don't want to break the slices. Remember, patience is key here. Cooking too quickly will burn the outside before the inside cooks through. If you're making multiple servings, repeat the process until all your slices are done. Keep cooked pieces warm in a low oven if needed. And voila! Your perfect French toast is ready. Now it's time to dress it up according to your taste. Drizzle some maple syrup for sweetness, dust with powdered sugar for elegance, or top with fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or bananas for a fruity kick. For something indulgent, pair it with a dollop of whipped cream or even a scoop of ice cream. My personal favorite? A combination of caramel sauce, sliced bananas, and a sprinkle of nuts. It's decadent yet balanced. Feel free to tweak the recipe based on your preferences. After all, the beauty of French toast lies in its simplicity and flexibility. There you have it. A simple, foolproof way to make perfect French toast every single time. Whether it's a lazy Sunday morning or a special occasion, this dish never fails to impress. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!